Hello students, welcome back to our social science class. In today's video, we will practice the map work from class 8 social science chapter 1 natural resources and their use, page number 9. Today's topic is the distribution of important bauxite mining areas in India. Bauxite is the chief ore of aluminium. It is an important mineral used in making aircrafts, automobiles, electrical wires, utensils, and many other products. Now, keep your India outline map ready and mark each location along with me. Let's begin. Katni, Madhya Pradesh. First mark Katni, the state of Madhya Pradesh. It is one of the important bauxite producing region of central India. Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh. Next mark Amarkantak, also located in Madhya Pradesh. This region is known for its rich bauxite deposit. Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh. Now move to Chhattisgarh and mark Bilaspur. It is an important area where bauxite is found. Koraput, Odisha. Finally move to Odisha and mark Koraput. Koraput is one of the major bauxite producing regions of India and contributes significantly to the country's aluminium industry. Now once again, if you see that Katni, Madhya Pradesh, Amarkantak, Madhya Pradesh, Bilaspur, Chhattisgarh, and Koraput, Odisha. Students, practice marking these locations on blank outline map of India at least 2 or 3 times. Regular map practice will improve your confidence and help you score full marks in map-based questions. Thank you. Keep learning, keep practicing, and see you in next video.